severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south-central Illinois, Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, northern Jackson County, Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Oakaville to Rocky Ridge, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. These storms have a history of widespread wind damage across parts of Missouri and Illinois. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, DuQuoin, Pinckneyville, Grand Lake area, DeSoto, Elkville, Woodlawn, Ava, Tamaroa, Willisville, Dix, Cutler, Watsonville, Dowell, Bonnie, Campbell Hill, Vergennes, Nasson, and St. John's. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 87 and 105. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 63 and 82. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jackson and Perry,